Oh, what a spectacle. Those enchanting sounds, that splendid interface, simply marvelous. Greetings fellow tech enthusiasts, and welcome to our jolly good guide on transforming your Kali Linux experience with the dazzling eDEX user interface. If you've ever fancied your terminal looking something straight out of a sci-fi flick, then you, my dear viewer, are in for a treat. Buckle up chaps, because this one's going to be a quick ride. Let's dive right in, shall we? First off, open your browser and search for eDEX-UI. Click on the first link that pops up, get squared or some such. Now, do hold on a moment while the site loads up. Done. Splendid. Scroll down until you spot the glorious eDEX-UI logo. Just below it, you'll find your download options. Since we're here to spiff up our Kali Linux, select the Linux 64 option. Click on it and wait for your download to finish. I've already got mine, so I'm going to head straight back to my terminal, locate the download directory, and hit ls to view the current contents. We're looking for eDEX .app image. There it is. Now, this splendid piece of software requires execution permission. Simply use the command chmod or chmod plus x followed by the software name, in our case the eDEX .app image. Hit enter and then type ls again to inspect the contents of our directory. Do you see the difference? Our eDEX file has transitioned from a neon green to a rather dashing turquoise green. It's now ready for execution, like a knight in gleaming armor, ready for a grand adventure. To execute it from the terminal, simply add period / before the software name. So type period / eDEX .app image. Hit enter and let the fun commence. But brace yourselves for a terminal experience like no other. And here we are. Welcome to the dazzling world of eDEX user interface. Isn't it a sight to behold? Let's take a moment to marvel at the futuristic interface. On the left there, you'll notice the system monitor providing real-time statistics on CPU and memory usage. It's like having a personal butler keeping an eye on the household. Above that, you'll see detailed information about your system, including uptime, power status, and more. Quite the comprehensive little helper, isn't it? In the center, we have the terminal, but this isn't just any terminal. It's an immersive, full-screen experience that makes you feel like a true tech wizard. Type in your commands in here and watch the magic unfold. On the right, you'll find the network status. This handy feature shows your current network connectivity, ensuring you're always aware of your online status. Just below it, you'll see the world view, which pinpoints where you're currently connected to the internet from, providing a visual representation of your location on the global stage. At the bottom, we have the file manager. This nifty tool allows you to navigate through your directories with ease, much like strolling through a well-organized library. And finally, just next to the file manager, you'll notice the virtual keyboard. It's a charming addition, particularly useful for touchscreen devices. All in all, the eDEX user interface isn't just about functionality. It's about transforming your terminal experience into something truly spectacular. And that's all for now, dear chaps. Do subscribe and pursue my channel for more thrilling content, or continue watching as I frolic with this spiffing interface. However, do remember to get acquainted with your newly installed eDEX user interface. It's a ripping adventure if I do so say myself. And one more thing, old beans. When you're ready to beat a do to eDEX user interface, simply close all open terminal windows and you shall be gently escorted back to your somewhat less thrilling user interface. I do hope I've left you bubbling with enthusiasm. Don't forget to give me a spot of likesy approval, would you? Until next time, cheerio.